Reputation management isn't just about what people say, it's about where they say it. We're covering the exact places patients are looking right now to decide whether they trust you or scroll past you. The spoiler is not just your website. I'll also walk you through the most overlooked way to skyrocket your authority using media placements that feel like referrals from above. Where you appear equals what they believe. First impressions aren't optional, they're digital now. Hi, I'm Paul from Medfire Media. We help local healthcare providers build trust before the first appointment. Modern patients don't trust just one source. They're looking for a pattern. They check Google, scroll your social, they peek at your Google business profile. And the serious ones, they scan directories and search for media mentions. Why? Because they want consistency, not perfection. People don't need a reason to scroll past, they need a reason to stop. Reputation is about reducing friction and raising confidence. 81% of patients research online before a decision, and 90% use multiple platforms before booking. Stick around as shortly I'll show you how to run a 2-minute visibility scan to spot leaks in your digital credibility. First, here are 5 critical trust platforms you need your business to show up in. The first one is Google Search and Maps. This is still the number one place patients begin. Your star ratings, photos, activity level, it all sets the tone. The second is media mentions and articles. One local feature in your city's business journal or news site builds more trust than 30 social posts. Third-party validation is the new social proof. It's trust you can't fake. 70% of businesses say negative or missing press hurt them. The third is review platforms like RealSelf, HealthGrades, ZocDoc, Trustpilot and others. You don't have to dominate all of them, but you need consistency. Ratings, bios and reviews should align. The fourth is social media signals. Your last 3 to 5 posts matter more than your last 30. Are you showing care, credibility and patient outcomes, or silence? The fifth is YouTube and short video. Video builds pre-consult trust. It's where patients feel like they've met you before ever calling. If this is really hitting home, let me know. Give me a like if this is really making sense for you. Next, I'll show you how to land real media features, even if you've never done PR. Here are some free and affordable tools to get press. You don't need to know someone, you just need a story and the right outlet. Use these tools to get started. Help Every Reporter Out, or Hero, is where journalists post story needs and you pitch. Quoted is a media platform for expert commentary. Press Pulse AI uses AI to pitch you to relevant media. And newswire platforms like PR Web, eReleases and BusinessWire can get your story out widely. Here's how to write a proper press release with structure. Follow this structure every time. Journalists skim fast, so clarity wins. First, the headline. Grab attention. 1 sentence. Make it matter. Second, the dateline. City and date. Third, the lead paragraph. Who, what, when, where and why. All in 2 sentences. Fourth, the body. Expand with short paragraphs. Quotes, 1 point per paragraph. Fifth, include a quote from a stakeholder or expert. Sixth, add data, relevant stats or trends. Seventh, include a call to action, a link or next step. Eighth, the boilerplate, a short about us description. Ninth, the media contact. who to reach. Finally, add visuals, image or video links, increase engagement. You don't need PR experience. You need clarity and a story that matters to someone local. Still wondering what kind of stories get picked up? I'll give you 3 examples that work in almost any market. First up, the patient success story. With permission. Local provider helps restore confidence for bride before wedding. Second, the education angle. What most people get wrong about X treatment. Finally, community involvement. XYZ Clinic hosts free skin check day for community awareness. Make it human, make it local, make it matter. Remember that 2-minute scan to check exactly how patients are seeing you across platforms? Well, now go to Google, type your practice name, ask yourself, do you appear across reviews, directories, articles and maps? Are your latest mention yours or outdated or off-brand? That's the moment of truth. You can't fix what you don't see. If what patients find doesn't match what you stand for, they believe the internet, not you. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, I get it. But how do I manage all this without losing my mind? Presently, I'll show you the exact tools and systems we suggest to manage this entire reputation ecosystem without hiring more staff or spending your evenings on spreadsheets. Reputation today isn't just about your story. It's about how many trusted voices are echoing it. Google, media, reviews, video, social, it all stacks up. And when it does, trust follows. Click below to get the full 10-part series. It's free and it's your roadmap to turning your real-world care into digital trust that patients can see. Now here's how to manage the entire reputation ecosystem.